South Indian Ocean Cyclone LILI has formed near Timor, Indonesia, with a potential threat of strong winds and heavy rain to the island. According to the Tropical Cyclone Warning Center in Jakarta, LILI tropical cyclone conditions on 10/5/2019, position latitude 9.2 south and longitude 129.0 east, about 570 kilometers southwest of Banda and about 271 kilometers from forecast landfall area in Timor-Leste. Direction of motion, southeast-east, speed 4 knots, 8 kilometers per hour, moves towards the territory of Indonesia. In 24 hours, the prediction on 11/5/2019, position latitude 9.1 south and longitude 128.1 east, around 640 kilometers southwest of Banda, motion direction west, moves to approved territory of Indonesia. Speed maximum winds 30 knots or 55 kilometers per hour. Tropical Cyclone LILI has an impact on the weather in Indonesia in the form of rain with moderate intensity that is likely to occur in the eastern part of NTT and southwest Maluku. Winds with speeds above 25 knots or 48 kilometers per hour are likely to occur in NTT and southwest Maluku. According to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, 9 May 2019 at 2100 UTC, position near latitude 9.5 south and longitude 128.9 east. Tropical Cyclone LILI 26S, formerly known as Invest 93S, is located approximately 214 nautical miles north-northwest of Darwin, Australia. LILI has tracked south-southeastward at 3 knots over the past 6 hours. Animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery depicts a consolidated system with weakening deep convection wrapping into the low-level circulation center. A GMI satellite image shows convection sheared to the southwest with a small microwave eye. The current intensity estimate of 45 knots is based on Dvorak current intensity of T 3.0, 45 knots, from PGTW and KNES. Also, an ADT estimate of 45 knots further supports the initial intensity. Upper-level analysis indicates a favorable environment with low vertical wind shear, good poleward outflow. However, dry air entrapment and upper-level convergence after 12 hours are expected to hinder any further development. LILI is forecast to turn westward as it tracks under the steering influence of a strong low to mid-level subtropical ridge entrenched to the southwest. Tropical Cyclone LILI is expected to maintain at 45 knots through 12 hours, but is expected to weaken steadily after 12 hours due to dry air entrapment and upper-level convergence. Maximum significant wave height is 14 feet. Because numerical model guidance is in poor agreement, therefore there is a high uncertainty in the exact forecast track. The HVN meteorologists agree. Look at the forecast tracks of the global models. So many variables are at play, however, the system is unlikely to track poleward due to the presence of the strong low-level ridge to the south through the forecast period. This will be a very interesting short-lived tropical cyclone. The Joint Typhoon Warning Center is now tracking Invest 94P that is forecast to head into the Coral Sea and possibly landfall on the Queensland coast of Australia, according to the global models. This is going to be a very interesting week. As you know, cyclones can be unpredictable. HVN meteorologists will follow the storms closely, so please click on the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner and bell for notification of new video updates.